What do you think about Katelyn getting the win? I mean, she's the one that had a lot of pressure on her. To see her sort of deal with that pressure and win, does that give you sort of hope for the future?
Yeah, definitely. She's a big inspiration for me and all that stuff. Like, I've watched her run over the years. I used to watch her and be like, wow, I wish I could be like that. And it's kind of crazy. A little fangirl moment for me. But yeah, she's an amazing runner, and I really look up to her. She's excellent.
You know, 7th place, right? Top freshman
Yes.
on the field. Are you pretty happy with that?
Yeah, I am pretty happy with it. I mean, my goal was to be 1 through 1 through 10, so I'm really pleased with that. I mean, I'd like to be in the top 5, but I'll take 7th. That's great.